2020. Where do we begin? It was possibly the strangest year in all of our lives. At the start of 2020, we made our voices heard and said what we envisioned the year to look like. None of us could have predicted the turn the year would take. Despite the uncertainty, we pushed through it all and excelled like we always do, as one team. Here at Veeam, everyone has a voice. Together, we help shape a company we don't just want to work at, but one where we can thrive. And when the world changed, so did so much else. Priorities, relationships, where and how we work, even how we live our lives. So with purpose, careful planning, and the knowledge that we were truly all in this together, we pressed forward. And what we achieved this year is nothing short of remarkable. We lived our values, shaping the kind of company we want to be and propelling us into the next phase of our journey. We looked after our own and each other. We did all that and more. But just like every year, we went above and beyond. We created an environment of collaboration, inclusivity, and closeness. We achieved something Veeamazing. Despite its challenges, 2020 prepared us all for an opportunity to up our game in 2021. Together, we have the ability to tackle this year like no one else can. We are tougher, stronger, and more capable.